Hi my dear student, this is my new video. This video is one of the important freedom fighter and freedom struggle of India, Subhash Chandra Bose. This video made by Mohan P. Kankurti. The Subhash Chandra Bose and the freedom struggle. The early life of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, also called and popularly known as Netaji, he was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack of Odisha. He played a decisive step in the Indian national freedom struggle. Bose secured 4th rank in the Indian Civil Service exam. He refused posting and became part of the national freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose in INC. He engaged himself in organizing the Indians residing outside India as a counter to Gandhi's soft protest. He toured many cities like Vienna, Berlin, Rome, Istanbul, and other cities, rallied the Indians settled in these places in favor of freedom struggle. The birth and rise of communism and socialism did influence many in Congress. Within the Indian National Congress, the leftist ideologies took roots. By 1934, Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru founded the Congress Socialist Party within the INC. Mahatma Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose. By the support of Mahatma Gandhiji, Bose became the president of Haripur Convention of Indian National Congress in 1938. Gandhiji's soft approach and Bose's hardline approach towards the British policy, these different opinion broke between Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose objected Gandhi's failure to seek foreign help in the matter. In 1939, though Bose get re-elected as the president of Indian National Congress, he had to resign owing to his difference with Gandhiji. He derailed his decision to fight the British by staying within the structure of Indian National Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose, he quit Congress and founded Forward Bloc Party. The party aimed at staying within the fold of Indian National Congress and had progressive ideals. Subhash Chandra Bose and British government. Bose opposed the British war preparation and also the participation of British India in war. As a result, the British government arrested the Subhash Chandra Bose and put him under house arrest. With the aim of mobilizing the anti-British force to fight against the British, he escaped from the house arrest and reached Germany. He met German, the great dictator of German, Hitler. The dictator of German, Hitler, agreed to extend all the help to British. Bose organized the prisoners of war from India. He broadcasted his speeches over Azad Hind Radio to Indians. Subhash Chandra Bose and Indian National Army. Bose joined hands with Ras Bihari Bose to explore the possibility of seeking the help of Japan to liberate India. Ras Bihari Bose had founded Indian Independence League in Tokyo of Japan. He was calling its military wing as Indian National Army. Bose called for Delhi Chalo on this occasion. Bose said, "Give me your blood, I will get you Indian independence." Subhash Chandra Bose and Indian National Army. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal became the commander of Jhansi Regiment, a women's wing of Indian National Army. Bose planned to attack India through Rangoon. By that time, thousands of soldiers who had joined Indian National Army were ready to occupy Delhi. They started armed struggle on the Burma border when there was intense battle between Indian National Army and the British. Subhash Chandra Bose died in aeroplane crash. Rangoon captured by British Army where INA soldier arrested. Later, many of the Congress leaders were successful in getting the arrested INA soldiers released. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel Mohan P. Kankurti. Thank you for watching.